So first and foremost one is which ETL tool that you are choosing. Here in this case, we are taking up the ETL as the Informatica ETL tool, and we are testing onto that one. So before proceeding, here are the course content that we are going to take up in this. So other ETL tools like, as I mentioned, data stage or followed with the other things also you can use. Okay, so and apart from that, I will be going to take up some basic set of reporting also. After completing this ETL, I will be going to give you in this training. Some people they will do with the MSBI, some people they will do with the Microsoft SSDT or MSBI sort of stuff, and some people they will take up IBM's DB and followed with the data stage, and some people they will take Oracle aspect point of view. It's all depends upon the choices of the concern, but ultimately slightly the things will be going to be different, but the working procedure and all everything is similar. Okay, with respect to their concerned technology, it will vary. So in this particular training aspect point of view, the first and foremost one, we are going to cover the basic set of stuff. What is actually the data warehouse is? What is data warehouse? How the ETL comes into picture? Okay, how the life cycle of the data warehouse? What are the different types of schemas that we are having in practically in real time? What type of schemas that they are using? These all details we are going to gather in the first. Then for with the ETL, and we will load the power center. If your machine is latest sort of one, okay, maybe with 2010, I mean the 10 version with at least some 4 GB above RAM or 6 GB like that, good processor, I will install on your machine itself this ETL tool so that we can able to work on this one. So, okay.
Okay. Kalyan,
Next.
first of all, I don't know about ETL testing and
Yeah, I'll
detailing
give you all.
which tool
I
I
will
will
give you
use.
all guidance,
No,
Ravanti.
no, no. You asked me
It's
like
Ravanti.
which tool you want. I don't know how many tools are there also.
I'll give you. I'll give you. I'll give you the
Okay.
guidance onto that one. So
Okay.
I'm treating you as an OS user. That is the reason why we will be going to give you from the basic what is actually
Okay.
data using, what is ETL testing, why we need to go for ETL testing, what is
Okay.
the purpose. Okay, this one. And here it is, the ETL tool implementation and testing set of concept, coding and
Okay.
followed with the processing and transformation set of details is the third module. And fourth module, the testing set of stuff. And fifth module, the CDs, how to test, and followed with
Coding means
the
any
common set of
programming
detail.
is there?
No, no,
Kalyan?
no, 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 no programming. We
Okay.
won't have any programming. I am very, I get fever if I want to write any programming, to be frank. Since 12
Okay.
years, I never touched with any programming. I don't
Okay.
like the programming set of things at all, to be frank.
Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Okay.
this one suits to the people who don't like the programming, to be frank. You like the
Okay.
programming means then go for some another sort of stuff like Java or .NET or followed with the other. That will be great supports to you, the programming set
No,
of
no,
stuff.
no.
If you are from a different engineering background other than computers, I do suggest to go for this set of tools only. We don't, I don't like the programming,
Mm.
to be frank.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
from computer science background only.
No, okay, then it will be
But
advantageous
still,
then.
yeah, but still, I'm not interested in programming.
Yeah, okay then. So here it is, the one totally. This duration of this particular course training is 35 hours. 35
Okay.
hours.
Okay.
First one, you have seen the course content that we will be going to cover. As per this course schedule only, we will be going to cover the things.
Okay.
And
Okay.
finally, at the end, we need to have a reporting. So for this one, I am using this particular one, Tableau reporting as per point of view I'm using. Okay. And this is the course content, first point. Second
Okay.
point, the course duration. Course won't go for months and months, just exactly 35 hours. If you go
Okay.
and take more and more hours, 1.5 hour, 2 hours like that on a given day, so suppose some
Okay.
Saturday and Sundays, if you are free and if you are going to take up some extra hours, then the session will be completed sooner. Suppose if you are
Okay.
taking up some breaks in between, then it may go a little bit longer. But on an average, depending upon the student aspect point of view, also slightly it will vary. But on an
Okay.
average, the total duration it will be going to take up to complete all this one is 35 hours is needed to complete.
Okay.
First, okay, first one is the course content. Second one is the course duration. Third one is the support. Whenever you are doing some practice on your machine, you got stuck
Okay.
somewhere.
Okay.
Till next day, you can't wait for a small, simple reason. Aspect point of view, we don't wait. We should not wait also. That much time waste it is. So I
Okay.
do offer some simple solution. Add the number to WhatsApp, keeping the concerned people also in WhatsApp group. Post
Okay.
that particular screenshot or followed with the error onto that WhatsApp within
Okay.
some short duration, likewise, some 1 hour, 2 hours, or 15 minutes or 20 minutes, likewise. I will be going to personally see that particular one, and immediately I will be going to reply. If if I am free at that time, immediately I will ask you to join to the meeting, and I will correct that issue, and you can work on to your next further things. So not to waste
Okay.
the time. Okay, so
After
that is
starting
the
this course,
third.
will you add my number in
Yeah,
any group?
immediately I will going to add you onto that WhatsApp, so that
Okay.
anytime if you have any issues while doing some practice, or you when I'm giving some assignments, you are doing some practice and you are not able to do, or if you got stuck anywhere, no need to run here and there. Just call me up, and if I'm free at that time, immediately I will jump onto that one, and we will start the session again, and we will resolve, and you can do again practice back. Okay, no need to waste your time. Valuable one.
Okay.
The first
Okay.
is the course content. The second is the time duration. Third is the WhatsApp support. The WhatsApp support will be going to be there not only today, to next till after 5 years or 3 years also. If you are there, we will be going to support you onto that. Especially myself will be going to be support. There are some students who are there since my when I have started some my teaching of 12 years back. Okay,
Okay.
uh, by mails they used to contact earlier. At that time this WhatsApp is not there. You know that.
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
now WhatsApp is there. We are able to connect to that, and we are able to, okay, so any sort of issues or anything, we can able to resolve it. So that is the
Okay.
thing. This is regarding these are the four important, and fifth one is notes and
Notes.
assignments,
Yeah.
recordings. Notes,
Yeah.
assignment, recordings, three things. We do
Yeah.
provide the recordings instantly. Okay, this particular one you can see on the adjacent side, the session is recording, likewise it is showing you, you can see.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, and you will be getting this recording session after the moment we complete. Within 10-15 minutes, it will be uploaded to the cloud, and you can download from there, and you can listen to
Oh,
the sessions
okay.
without any or any number of times, 100 times also, if you would like to, you can view that, and it will be available there. Okay,
Okay.
that is a
Okay.
recording session. Every day the session will be recorded, and mostly it is one to one. Probably if anyone joins, one more extra student, that's it. Other than that, not. It is, we
No.
won't be taking up with bulk sort of manner some n number of students and not pointing to that request. Likewise, I don't suggest that style. I don't like that particular sort of styling also. Okay, that is a
Okay.
corporate sort of training. That is a different. That is a different matter. Why? Because completely it's a different approach for them. But individually, we do concentrate one or two students, not beyond that max. Okay, so that I can concentrate and I can able to help you out. Why? Because see, you are putting some hard-earned money onto this particular training to get some good job, and and you do remember my name and followed with my as a teacher, you will be remembering me for a
Then
longer duration.
definitely.
Oh, that person, that sir, that has that person, you do remember your childhood teacher, someone who whom you will be liking more.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do remember that particular names forever. In the same fashion, I am giving you the training so that I myself will be the key responsible person here, so that the latter stage you will be remembering. Okay, this person has taught me, and he has given me some good sort of instructions regarding the training and interview questions, and helped me a lot to secure the job in that manner. On an average, yearly I will be going to complete around somewhat around 100 students plus yearly I will be completing. So most of them will be going to be always they will be jumping up so to some jobs. They are getting some jobs and they are already settled also. So the fifth and foremost one is, as I mentioned to you, you will be getting some good training onto this particular subject, and you will be going to have the recording set of stuff and material, and followed with the entire set of interview set of questionnaires and real-time set of scenarios, the documents, how they will give, what actually the action that you need to perform. I will show you so that you can able to get through the interviews also very well. Okay, and
Okay.
this is what my strategies and my sort of training approach and procedure is every time. Okay, and if you have
Okay.
any further questions onto these 5 points, yes, you are welcome. Course content, time duration, WhatsApp support, materials, recordings. Okay, any questions if you are having still, yes, you are welcome, you can ask. And let me know when you would like to start the session and what timing you are looking forward is the key here. Yes,
Okay.
please proceed.
I'm living at the UK, Kalyan.
Oh, okay. Good.
So normally I'm working at 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. in UK times.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want, I can join before 7 a.m. and after 3 p.m.
Yeah. After 3 p.m., it will be going to be good. Anytime is fine. Okay. Whichever one that suits to you, where you can comfortably sit and you can learn the subject. I do prefer that. Just let me know. I will convert the timing to our
Yeah, means India time 9 o'clock, I think.
9 a.m.
No, 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 9 p.m.
No, anything. No problem. 9 p.m. is also fine. I'll be there.
Yeah, maybe
Okay.
after 1 month it will be like 8 o'clock because of time changing.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah,
let me know when you are interested and when you would like to start the things likewise.
yeah,
Shravanti, is it? Is a name correct?
yeah,
Shravanti.
Shravanti. Yeah, my name is
Okay.
Shravanti.
Okay, it's very nice name, really. So, Shravanti,
Thank
just
you.
let me know when you would like to start with. But one important note here, for this installation of this particular software
Okay.
on your machines,
Mm.
you need to have minimum of 4 GB RAM and 11 version, 10 version. I mean Windows 10.
Yeah,
Is your machine is latest or very old? How old it is? Let me know.
okay. Yeah, my main
Is your
concern is timings only, Kalyan.
timing is not a problem. I 100% I will be there. We can take up the
Okay,
thing. No
okay.
problem. Anytime. Say suppose if you are having some issue with respect to on that given day, you just message
Mm.
me. I will take up on some weekends or weekdays or some another timing if you are free. If at all I am also free at that particular time, I will reallocate that time to you. That's not a problem.
Okay,
Okay. That is
okay,
what the WhatsApp support is of basically.
okay,
Usually we will be proceeding with some regular time. When a given day some issue came up, something like that, you are always welcome. You can revert me with the WhatsApp. I will be going to help you out on that.
okay.
I
And
promise you all the 5 sort of stuff, like the 5 fingers that we have. Without that, we can't. The same as I promise you right now, with all these 5 set of important set of topic that I have mentioned right now,
yeah,
I will be sticking to that. No doubt in that.
okay,
Mark my words. This is a promise that it will be going to be done till our course. Okay. Done.
okay,
Next.
okay. And one more thing, Kalyan. 2 years back, I did testing,
Mm-hmm.
manual testing and selenium testing, but I have
Mm.
only knowledge in manual testing topics.
Mm.
If I have brush up again, maybe I'll get that selenium and normal testing also.
Nowadays, no one is using manual testing. Already outdated.
Okay,
Manual testing is outdated topic.
okay,
No one will be going to ask you. Selenium testing is still there. and it is day by day with Java, whether you learned or which one aspect point of view you learned. I don't know, but whether if it is Java or .NET or Python, still some demand is there. But apart from that, if you are taking up with the ETL testing, it will be added advantage to you. It will be.
Okay, because whoever suggested this ETL testing, they told me like do testing also with some simple project.
That's what I mentioned. You
Mm.
can able to, but the testing, old sort of testing set of stuff is not there now. The manual set of testing is gone. It's not
Okay.
existing now. It's over. The story regarding the manual testing is over, done. There is
Okay.
no manual set of testing right now. Only
Mm.
Selenium set of testing is there. If you are interested, contact the consent. They will update you with how to do so or follow with the other things.
Definitely. I already discussed with Right Garu.
Okay.
One more time I'll discuss with him and I'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions or comments?
Mm. And I have very basic SQL knowledge also. Do I need to learn more on
The
SQL?
purpose of SQL, this one itself is no need of SQL. Why should we
Okay.
go for SQL? Here and there it may be, but not that much.
Okay.
It's not that much required when you are taking up this.
Okay.
The purpose itself resolves that.
Okay.
Done for the day then, and please contact the concern and let me know when you would like to start the sessions and all, and through the concern we'll take care of the same. Okay.
Definitely, Kalyan. Definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye, Kalyan.
See you, Srevanti. Bye.
See you.